Hi, I'm Dr. Dazril Kwa, COO of Nandina REM. The advanced manufacturing industry faces growing supply chain uncertainties with increased pressure to create sustainable innovations. Nandina REM offers a new, secured solution. Our technology transforms highly engineered assets, starting with retired aircraft, into new sources of high-quality materials ready for a wide range of industries and applications. Our proprietary process streamlines aircraft teardown and enhances supply chain transparency. We recover and reprocess critical materials like carbon fiber to meet or even exceed the performance of virgin materials. Our products reduce manufacturing costs and require 71% less energy to produce. Critically, for our customers, we offer greater material availability and reliability of supply. We are excited to showcase the world's first aviation-grade circular carbon fiber at JEC World. Let's shape the future of advanced manufacturing together and redefine what's possible.